Hello subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. In this video, I have uploaded a real technical interview of a company Wipro. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please go and subscribe my channel first and also press the bell icon. So today in this video, I have trimmed the introduction part for the security purpose. So let's start this video.
Good
This is
afternoon, sir.
basically, yeah, I'll be taking the technical panel interview today. So, how are you feeling today?
Sir, I'm feeling good and a little nervous.
Okay, so how was your aptitude test? Was
Sir,
it
it
good?
was very good, sir.
So, do you think you have given your best or it would have been better?
Sir, I have given my best.
So, let's start. Just quickly give me your brief brief introduction with your strong point and weak point.
Okay, sir. And sir, I have done a project during my academic year, and the name of my project was Hospital Management System. The technology that I have used for this project was Java and Postgres. Now coming towards my technical skills, sir, I know the languages C, CPP, Java, PHP, and also SQL. Now coming to my experiences, sir, I'm having 3 years of experience as a private tutor. I take home tuition, sir, and from last 3 years. Now, sir, coming to my strength, I'm a hardworking student with a leadership quality, and I'm also a multitasker, sir. And I am very responsible towards my work as I'm an elder in my family. So I have to manage many things in my family, my younger ones. So this makes me more responsible, sir. That's all about me. Thank you, sir.
Tell me which all programming languages you have learned so far.
Sir, I have learned C, CPP, Java, PHP, and sir SQL. Hello,
What
sir.
is the basic difference between C and CPP?
Yes, sir. The basic difference between C and CPP is C is a subset of C language, and CPP is a superset of C language, sir. And sir, C does not suppose the OOPS concept, while CPP supports the OOPS concept, that is class, objects, and encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism. These are the main OOPS concept. And sir, C is developed by Dennis Ritchie, sir, and CPP was developed by Bajania Stossup, sir. And the main difference is, sir, that we are having printf and scanf as a input output in C language, and in CPP we are having C in and C out functions. These are the difference between C and CPP, sir.
Any group assignment you have done so far and what was your involvement?
Sorry,
And
sir.
your team. Any group assignment you have done so far, tell me about it. What was your involvement and your team's involvement?
No, sir, I have done the project and it was done by only me, sir, and that was hospital management system. And also I'm trying to do one more project, that is society maintenance management system, which will I going to work in future.
So there is no team effort or teamwork you have done so far.
Sir, not right now because we have done it for academic purpose, sir. Means our college has assigned us projects. So for TYBCS, we were having final year and we have to do a project. So I have done it my own right now. I'll do it in future, sir.
What do you mean by individual efforts and team efforts?
Sir, individual effort means what? It's all about it's all about you. Your what kind of efforts you are giving, and team efforts means what? A working team means having their coordination in a team, and taking one another opinion, that what he said, what you said, and then working on a project. Then that is a team effort, sir.
So do you think there is no self efforts in team work then?
Sir, it is there. It is there because you are also the member of team. You have to do your efforts. You have to take some efforts. So I think there is self effort, sir.
What is a pointer in C?
Sir, pointer, it's a variable which stores the address of the another variable, and it is denoted by star p, sir.
Okay, so what is a null pointer?
So null pointer which points nothing, and you can say that null pointer stores the address of any of the data type.
Why Java is not a pure object-oriented language?
Sir, Java is not purely object-oriented programming language because of the primitive data types. Sir, it is having inbuilt primitive data types. But to make it purely independent, purely object-oriented language, we are having wrapper class.
Give me some example of primitive data types in Java.
Sir, int, float, double, long, short. These are the boolean. These are the primitive data types.
Do you know anything about Python?
Sorry, sir.
Do you know anything about Python?
Sir, Python, yes, I'm learning. In this lockdown, I have started to learning Python. I know little basic of Python.
Okay, good. Tell me what is a list
Sir,
and what is a tuple?
Okay. Sir, tuple is a collection of similar elements and list is a collection of dissimilar elements. And sir, tuple is mutable. Means we can do changes in tuple. But in list, we can't do changes. It is immutable, sir.
What is a nested structure?
Sorry, sir.
What is a nested structure? In
Nested.
C.
Okay. So nested structure means what? Structure function within function or nested structure means any structure within structure is called as nested structure, sir.
Can you give me some example?
Sir, like queries, sir, queries. We sir, you can take a structure. We are having structure in C language.
What is the difference between data and database management system?
So data is a information and database is a where we manipulate, where we perform some operations like insert, update, delete. These are the database.
Tell me one difficult situation you have faced in last 2 to 3 years and how did you overcome it?
Sir, last 2 to 3 years. Sir, once I was when means in FY I have started taking classes. Okay, at that time I was facing some financial issue and literally I was not knowing what to do at that time. So at that time I came to know that I should start my own tuition so that I can, because I'm having the knowledge, I can teach small children in a very better language. And in FY I have started that. I have managed my teaching as well as I have done my studies also in a very efficient manner. So that was situation was tough because I was having little financial issue at that time.
Why Wipro?
Sorry, sir.
Why Wipro?
Why Wipro, sir? Wipro is one of the leading and growing company, and because Wipro provide that is work integrated and learning programming. Wipro requires a student who can manage the studies and work at the same time, and I'm doing it from last 3 years, sir. So I think Wipro is I'm suitable for Wipro, I think, sir, and that's why I chosen Wipro, sir.
Any gaps or careers in your academic career?
Sorry, sir. No, sir. No, sir. There is no gap.
Okay. Tell me which is your least favorite subject? Least favorite.
Least favorite, sir. That is electronics.
Electronics.
Yeah, sir.
So tell me what do you know about Wipro
Sir,
and this WLP program?
sir. First of all, Wipro is Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited, and the founder of Wipro is Azim Premji, sir. And Wipro, the CEO of Wipro is Thierry Delaporte, sir. And chairman of Wipro is Rishabh Premji, sir. And Wipro is one of the leading company in India. It is at the third most position. And Wipro is having two phases, that is Ways and Wims. In Ways we are going to learn, we can learn software development, and in Wims we can learn about networking, sir. This is all that I know about
another
Wipro.
program as well. There is that is Vista.
Sorry, sir.
There is another program as well, that is Vista, WISTA.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that is more towards Wipro Infotech. So it's mostly hardware and
Okay.
support kind of thing, like hardware related support.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
sir. I was not knowing this.
So what do you like? What is the full form of WILP? Like what do you know about that particular program? Okay.
Full form of?
WILP.
Sir,
Which
Work
you are,
Integrated Learning Program.
what is the benefit of that and why you want to join Wipro as a WILP?
Because sir, Wipro provides MTech degree, means it thinks about the student, and it also give work as well as the study part. Means we are having degree from Wipro, that is MTech degree, and which is one of the best thing about Wipro. And if we are working for Wipro, we'll get the degree, and we'll get something that is.
No, only working for Wipro will not give you degree. So you have give your best in academic, like in studies as well during the.
Yes sir, I'll give my best for Wipro.
So tell me what benefit you can bring to Wipro as an organization. I heard that you will get so much of benefit, right? In
Yes.
case you join Wipro. So what benefit you can bring to Wipro as an organization if you join in future?
Sir, if I'll join to Wipro, I'll first of all I'll do my best. The thing which I know, I'll definitely do my best. I'll if the thing which I don't know, I'll communicate with my team leaders, with my team friends. I'll try to do my best so that Wipro company, because growing of a company, that means growing of employees, sir. And in other words, I'll going to learn. I'll get experience which will make my which will develop my skills, that will be more profitable for me, sir.
Okay,